Choosing between Scrivener and Novelcrafter, one's a veteran, the other's an A-powered newcomer. Let's break down which one actually helps you write more and stress less. Scrivener is a robust writing studio. It gives you total control over structure, research, and manuscript formatting. It's been around for years and is trusted by novelists, screenwriters, and academics alike. Novelcrafter is built from the ground up for fiction writers, blending AI suggestions with project planning and outlining tools in a way that feels more intuitive and modern. Scrivener can be overwhelming at first. It's powerful, but there's a definite learning curve. Novelcrafter is just cleaner, easier to navigate, especially if you want to get writing without wrestling with menus. It also integrates outlining and world building in a way that feels baked in, not bolted on. Scrivener is king when it comes to customizing your workspace, dragging scenes, organizing chapters, and handling big, complex projects, but it lacks native AI. Novelcrafter brings built-in scene generators, writing prompts, and even character arc tracking, which can be great for breaking writer's block. Scrivener is a one-time purchase, affordable and offline. Novelcrafter works on a subscription model with ongoing updates and cloud-based access. So it comes down to whether you want a traditional standalone app or a constantly evolving tool with AI features. If you love total control, you hate subscriptions, and don't need AI, Scrivener is still a top-tier choice. But if you want an all-in-one writing platform with modern tools and guidance built in, Novelcrafter is a strong contender, especially for newer authors. I think that both tools can help you finish that novel. Scrivener gives you the engine, Novelcrafter gives you the co-pilot. Pick the one that matches how you work best. And I secretly do believe that you can work with both. So which one would you use? Or which one are you more curious about? Scrivener or Novelcrafter? Let me know in the comments, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.